Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I will be helping you how to do a bay parking in 45-degree method. First, I will explain and then I will show you how it's done in practice. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and let's start the lesson. Okay, so firstly, I will explain to you how to do bay park on a 45-degree method. Both will be reverse. So the first one will be going forward and reverse, and the second one will be moving to the other side and then going forward and then reverse in. So first I will explain to you on the left side and then I will explain to you on the right side. So imagine this is your car. This is your car and you want to go in to this bay. That's the bay you want to go in. So from here we will move to there, go forward and then reverse into this bay. This is the plan. So this is our car. We get the car ready first, put the clutch down, go to first gear, and we will look all round, including our blind spots, make sure it is safe all round. Then we go forward close to the bays that we want to go in. So we will go closer to the bay and then we will go until we see our side mirror from our sitting position is around halfway of that bay, around halfway. So from the position that you're sitting, your left side mirror is around halfway of the bay that you want to go in. That's when you will do full right lock. Okay, so I repeat, you go close to the bay that you want to go in, and then on the left side mirror is around halfway of the bay that you want to go in, and that's when you do full right lock. Now, getting this reference, try to work with your driving instructor to get this right. Maybe first or second you might get it wrong, but that's fine. Keep working on that until you get this right. So it's around halfway, left side mirror, full right lock. Once you've done the full right lock, the car will go right. Now, just before that, make sure your right blind spot is safe. Look over your shoulder to see if your right blind spot is safe, and then the car will go around there. Once you reach this point, then you stop, go to reverse gear, look all around including your blind spot, and from here you will do full left lock. Now from here you've done the full right lock. Once you reach this point, do full left lock. Once you've done full left lock, car will go like that and try to go in. Car is basically bending like that, and then you wait until the car is straight. Once the car is straight, stop, you get the wheel straight, and then you go straight into the bay. As the car goes into the bay, look on the side mirror, especially the left side mirror, where you will see this line. So this side mirror, you will see this line if the car is going in or not, and then hopefully it is going in. Once the car goes in, go fully in and stop, put the handbrake on. If it's not in the bay, then you will go forward and you correct. It's part of the test. So you can go forward if it's not in the bay, but hopefully if you get the reference right, you'll go first time in. And that's how we go in 45-degree method onto this side. Okay, so you get the car ready, put the clutch down, go to first gear, look full circle including your blind spot, take the handbrake off and you go forward, and keep going forward until you reach the point where the bay that you want to go in. On that bay, the left side mirror should be halfway of that bay. So from your sitting position, you will see your left side mirror around halfway of that bay that you want to go in. So as you can see here now, your left side mirror is in line or halfway in line with that bay that you want to go in. Once you reach that point, then you will do full right lock. And as I said to you on the briefing, that try to do that few times until you get used to it, where the mirror is halfway from your sitting position. So once you reach that point, halfway, full right lock, and then keep going until just before you reach the other side of the base, you stop, and then you go to reverse gear, look full circle, look at the back, full left lock this time, and then keep going until the car is straight. So look at the front to see if the car is straight. When it is straight, get the wheel straight, and then you go back looking at the back. Look at the side mirror, especially the left side mirror, to see if it's going in, and it's going in nicely. And then you keep going back until your car is fully in the bay. So you keep going back, keep looking all around, make sure, look at the back because the car is going back, and when the car is fully in, stop, put the handbrake on neutral. Now this time we want to go in to a bay on this side, any of these bays, on a 45-degree method. So first we get the car ready, put the clutch down, go to first gear, look full circle, make sure there's no one around. Once it's safe, you go forward towards right, make sure the blind spot is safe, no one coming. Go close to the right hand side, and then this is the bay we want to go in. So we go close to that side, and once we see our right side mirror is around halfway of that bay. So this time the right side mirror is around halfway of the bay that you want to go in. You do full left lock this time. So I repeat, go close to the right hand side of the base, and then you go until the right side mirror is halfway of the bay you want to go in. You do full left lock. Once you've done that, the car will go like that. Once you go to the other side, stop, reverse gear, look all around, make sure it's all safe, look over your shoulder at the back, and then you do full right lock. So from here, full left lock. Once you reach this point, full right lock. Once you've done full right lock, slowly car is going to start to straighten up. You wait until the car is straight. Once the car is straight, you get the wheel straight, look at the back, and keep going back until the car is in the bay nicely. As you're going in, keep looking on the side mirrors every now and again, especially the left side mirror, to see if he's going in, because on the left side mirror you will see this line if he's in the bay or not, and hopefully he's going in. Once you go, if he's not in the bay, you could always go forward and correct part of the test, but hopefully you should be in the bay with the reference. And always work on the reference first few times with your driving instructor. If you could get this right, the reference, it will go in first time. If it's not in the bay, like I said, in the test, you are allowed to go forward and correct. And I do have a video on how to correct bay parking if it's not in the bay. And if you get it wrong, watch the other video, how to correct bay parking. It should help you if it's not in the bay, how to correct. Now let's look at how to do this in practice. Okay, so get the car ready by putting the clutch down, go to first gear, look full circle, including your blind spot, and then go forward towards the right, because this time you are going in on a bay on the right hand side. So go close to the bays on the right, and then once the right side mirror is in line or halfway of the bay that you want to go in, so your right side mirror is around halfway of the bay that you want to go in from your sitting position. And like I said, work with your instructor to get this right. So around halfway of the bay with your right side mirror is halfway, then you do full left lock. So steer full left lock. Once you've done that, car will go to the other side. Just before you reach the other side, you stop, reverse gear, look around, and you do full right lock this time. Once you've done that, you keep going back until the car is straight. Once the car is straight, you get the wheel straight and you look at the back mainly and keep going backwards until the car is fully in the bay. As you go in, just to make sure, look on your left side mirror to see if it's going in the bay. As you can see, it is now going in. So keep going back until the car is fully in the bay. Once it is in the bay, you will stop, handbrake on and neutral. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And please do make a comment what you think of the video, and hope to see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.